Hello guys, so today we have another vlog regarding how to connect the Sony VPT2BT or the shooting grip with a wireless remote. So I will show you guys how to connect this shooting grip to our Sony A7C. So without further ado, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photography gears, videography gears, and my personal sneakers. So let's start now, guys. Okay, first guys, you need to put your battery, which is the CR2032, included in the box of the remote. This is the remote area, guys, or the battery compartment area. Okay, when you open like this, then close. Okay, so attach the camera, guys. It's up to you if you want to attach or if you want to attach later, but yeah, this is the grip. Okay, and this is your screen. And again, guys, so let's connect the hand grip guys, to the camera. First, you need to go to the menu settings, which is already located here from the Sony A7C. Then from the network number 2, which is this area, guys, from 1, 2, 3, from the Bluetooth settings. Then Bluetooth function, you need to turn on the Bluetooth function, and pairing, guys. So you need to pair. When you are pairing for that one, guys, you need to hold the photo button and this photo button and the T button, which is the zoom. Just hold the seconds. Just hold for seconds. Then it will show connected device GPT button. So then set OK. Then it's paired, guys. So now we are connected and we can use now. And that's it for today, guys. So again, our vlog for today is how to connect the Sony VPT2BT or the Sony shooting grip with the wireless remote commander to the Sony A7C camera, guys. So again, if you have any suggestion or question, you can comment down below, guys. And yeah, we'll try to answer. And again, guys, flex time. First, I want to flex my team, which is the Team Positive Vlogger. Shout out to all the admin members ng Team Positive. And also my team in Kuwait, the PBK o Pinoy Vloggers Kuwait. Shout out to all, guys. Kay Palaboy FW at kay Rphy Samstill, maraming salamat. MCC Angel, thank you and mabuhay.